In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate lead generation using n8n, a powerful automation tool that simplifies the process of collecting and managing leads from platforms like LinkedIn and Google Maps. If you're looking to streamline your lead generation efforts, you're in the right place. We'll walk through setting up a workflow, integrating data sources, and automating the entire process so that you can focus on what's most important: nurturing those valuable connections. To start, let's set up your n8n workflow. A great way to begin is by downloading a template that's tailored for lead generation. These templates are readily available and serve as a helpful foundation for extracting potential leads. Whether you choose a template that targets LinkedIn connections or scours Google Maps for business information, these pre-built setups save you a lot of time. Once you've got your template, you can easily upload it to n8n, or, if you're feeling adventurous, you can create your own scenario from scratch. Next, it's important to integrate the necessary data sources. This is where Google Sheets becomes your ally. Add a Google Sheets node to your n8n workflow. This node will act as the repository for all your collected leads. Make sure to configure this node to point to a specific Google Sheets document and its corresponding sheet where you wish to save your contact information. Now you'll need a way to pull in data. A scraping node is vital for gathering data from resources like Google Maps. Alternatively, consider integrating a free web scraper like Oxyabs or Upload Scraper. These tools often provide free trials and can extract a limited number of leads without cost, which is perfect if you're just starting out. Moving on, it's time to automate the lead collection process. When setting up Google Maps scraping, ensure that your Google Sheets node is properly connected. Select the spreadsheet you're working with, pinpoint the specific tab, and make sure your data columns correspond to the input fields you've set up. Accurate mapping is crucial here for smooth data transfer. To narrow down your data, insert an if node in your workflow. This little helper will filter companies based on whether they have a website. By using the site data and selecting the exists option, you can effectively separate those that do have websites from those that don't. Finally, to prevent rate limits and maintain uninterrupted execution, it's a smart practice to incorporate rate limiting. You can do this by adding delays between your workflow executions. Not only does this help prevent overwhelming the platforms you're extracting data from, but it also ensures your automation runs as efficiently as possible without hitches. And that's it. You have now set up a robust automated lead generation system using n8n. Give yourself some credit for taking a big step towards enhancing your workflow. Remember, automation is about working smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and happy lead hunting.